Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. This is the first time I speak, so I sound kind of groggy because this is probably the earliest type of video like this I ever make because I got other things to do today or that I want to do. I'm going to be stepping out a little later and hopefully the sun is going to come out by then. They said it's supposed to be clearing. Just looking out here. Oh, good. The shit spare battery is dying. Great. Okay, that's terrific. Oh, we're just going to roll with it anyway. Look at these beautiful vintage enzymes. Look at this thing. Amazing. Amazing. I think this is what, 48, 49? 50. 1950. I'm going to have to put this one in the frame. Look at Studebaker. I got all kinds of stuff. I just put this book yesterday for sale. Beautiful Trains book. You want it? Come and get it. $10. Beautiful book. Check this thing out. Look at this. I'll show you quick here. I can't help but not show you guys things, you know. Look at that. You see there was an L or a C there. Fabulous. Anywho, yeah, it's because I have the other good battery charging right now. So in the kitchen, got my second cup of coffee that I haven't finished. And I'm going to open this gift that I got from Greg, one of my followers out west. And we're going to open that right now, but I got to get a knife here. I don't know if I can actually do this well. Let's see here where this thing is taped. Yeah, it's taped pretty good. Okay, hang on, guys. Get a little clever here with the camera on my desk here. My vintage desk that's so goddamn heavy that if we're to... Okay, well, that battery didn't last, and so like I was saying, this desk is all metal. It's so heavy that if there were an earthquake, I could like hide underneath here. I'd probably survive. Or, you know, if it fell on you, it'd kill you probably. So, let's see here. Let's see if I can do this one hand. I know I probably should use a tripod, but... Well, it's not chicken breast, that's for sure. Now, I already know what he sent me. And I'm like, yeah, I'm totally into that. Totally. Toodly doodly. And I got another gift, I think, coming from Ed. Oh, look, he wrote something here. 2023. 2023, buddy. You're a little bit ahead of time there. Jesus Christ. Was I supposed to open this a year from now? Keep up the videos coming. Thanks, buddy. Oh, yeah, you're in Saskatchewan. I don't know why I thought you were in Alberta. Oh, yeah, these are awesome. Hey, well, packed them well, too, buddy. You know why these two kits mean something to me, especially this one, this AMT one, because I built this kit back in the 90s, okay? I made it like some, whatever, Krylon type of freaking chocolate brown paint, you know, but I did a really nice job on all the chrome foil. You see there's a lot of chrome foil work on that. And chrome foil takes a long time to put on. I'm not going to show you my current kit, that's a surprise, but yeah, it's taking a long time. And look at that, brand new, sealed in the box. As Greg wrote to me, he's really more into collecting die-cast, and that's what happened to me, actually. I built tons of kits back in the 90s, and then in the early 2000s I got into die-cast, and I forgot all about the kits. I'm just wondering, when did this kit come out? That's what I always look at. Made in China. Oh, 2005, so they reissued this thing about a little more than 10 years later, I think. Yeah, right. And then this guy's interesting because, see, yeah, it's a 50 Chevy, right? Now, I made this kit over 10 years ago, but it was actually a snap kit. And snap kits are really a snap to make, but I don't totally believe that they're completely a snap kit. You do have to have some glue on them sometimes. You do have to use some glue on them sometimes. I'm just trying to see this one also. This one actually doesn't look as old. Am I wrong? Wow, did they even write the year on here? Shit. Wow. Licensing, General Motors, US, Wow. The, doesn't look like they wrote the year when this was made. Anyway, Greg, I don't know when I'm going to build these. I got a bunch of kits to build. got a little smooshed over here, eh? But yeah, again, it smells perfumey in here. I don't know why, but anyway, yeah, I'm a big fan of fragrances. But hey, buddy, thanks again. Thank you very much. It's really nice of you, dude. Oh man, I got back pain this morning. Oh my god, I don't know what it is lately. Back pain, bad, you know, like. And I flipped my mattress over yesterday, and oh my god, my arm was hurting me this side. But this is also because I had been straining my eyes and my neck so much, kneeling forward and looking down to work on the model I'm talking about, to finish the painting of the fire station, and it's like uploading videos. I gotta like tell myself to take a step back. And to make things worse, it's darker this time of year, right? It gets dark at like freaking 4:30. So in a small old vintage apartment like this, it gets even darker, you know. I'm surprised I haven't sold this thing. I'm gonna have to relist this. I mean, that's why I framed it. It's an awesome 56 Pontiac ad. I even have a Canadian version of this, actually. It's Andre's Caprice painting. That should be going soon. A couple other things. I sold my Peterbilt wrecker towing the LFS first gen bus. Sold it the other day to one of my fans. Thanks again, Fred. Pleasure to meet you, buddy. So just giving you guys a quick look here. This guy also I'm going to have to relist. I don't think I have it actually placed in a good place. I'm going to have to change the area. It doesn't show well here. Freightliner cab over. Freight shaker. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I think I'm going to have another unboxing soon. Oh, by the way, yeah, of course, if you want to send me something. Vintage magazines with transportation ads in them, or models, you know what I like. Even diecast is okay, as long as they're not 118. I don't really have room for those anymore. And yeah, that's it, man. You can do that. Just leave me a comment, or you can find me on Facebook, or send me an email at eltonmcfall@hotmail.com. I gotta frame this guy. Look at this. 1959 Toyota ad. Yeah, it was known as Toyopet. That's the oldest Toyota ad I have. They came in North America in 1958, but where they sold in Canada, I don't know. This is another thing I want to frame. Look at that. From the 80s. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Adios. Bye-bye.